In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best working Alo Yoga coupon codes in 2025. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser, and right here you'll have to search for Alo Yoga coupon code. Right here, go to this website which is called Simply Codes, and as you can see right here, we have a list with some promo codes, and you can use these ones to get some discount. So let's say, for example, that you want to get this 25% discount right here, which is also a verified code. All you need to do is just select this button where it says Get Code, and right here, this is the promo code. You can simply copy this one and you can use the promo code on your next purchase so that you can get a 25% discount. Also, we have this website right here, which is called the Pocket News. And as you can see right here, we also have some promo codes that we can use to get some discount. So let's say, for example, that you want to get this one right here with 25% discount of your total purchase. So what you'll have to do right here is just simply select this button where it says Get Code, and we'll have to wait a little bit. So this is the promo code right here. You can simply tap on this button to copy the promo code and use it so that you can get a 25% discount off your purchase. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.